Memphis, baby, you can catch a nigga doing shit like that. And y'all nigga riding that motherfucker. Yeah, baby, y'all nigga riding that motherfucker. All the ends, baby, all the ends, look at my nigga. Yeah, we going down the street, baby, just like that, in the ill. I swear, ain't no telling what you lying to see in this motherfucker. Y'all nigga in the Mustang, baby. And we come down Sherry Drive, I'm taking out work. I guess that's how he feel this morning. You hear me?
Oh, you fucking... Oh, you fucking... Dumbass! Back it up real quick. Back it up real quick. Drive, hit it.
Объект пройден.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh shit. Almost. Keep going, keep going. You got it, you got it. Keep going, keep going. There we go. Whoa, fuck.
You don't believe this? Wouldn't Sirius have told you they'd changed their plan?
There it goes.
Sorry, oh, police right there.
Get him. Get him.
Oh, see you later.
Oh! Get wrecked!
See ya.
Oops, no, I should give you that, right?
Ah.
Oh my god, what did I say? Oh my god. Holy sh... Oh, they went straight up and crashed into the ball. They just broke their car off. Good to have like a... There goes a tire.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Please don't hit us.
Oh my, I've never seen
Whose
that.
tire was that? Oh, it's this guy's tire. I thought I saw sparks. This
That's
guy's tire. That thing went
crazy.
high.
That one.
Too bad. Get in her car. Just didn't move.
How are you? Wow, what the fuck was that?
Weird.
Wow.
Jack Vaughn about this earlier. We're going to try to do something for, the comedy community.
Сикторсона. Таким образом, команда страны, чье население в 2 раза меньше Иркутска, выигрывает у родоначальников футбола и выходит в четвертьфинал Евро. Стали полностью известны пары четвертьфиналистов. Польша сыграет с Португалией, Уэльс встретится с Бельгией. Квартиры в жилом комплексе «Символ» от компании «Новый город» вы обязательно найдете то, что подходит именно вам. Телефон отдела продаж.
Ой, ой, ой!